Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Taurus, it's sign. This is August weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Taurus, it's sign. Messages for Taurus. What are the messages for Taurus and what's going on? Messages for Taurus. Under the deck, Page of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, and Knight of Pentacles. So someone is coming towards you, Taurus. For some, it could be a brand new person, and for some, it could be a past person. I am seeing that they are serious about you this time, but they're coming very slowly. And Six of Pentacles. I think in past there is no equal give and take. Maybe they treated you as an option, but there is communication is coming, text is coming, and lots of you, maybe some of you, children's also involved in this connection. Someone is approaching you. Definitely for some there is apology is coming. So let's see our reading. Taurus, recent past, Knight of Swords, Seven of Pentacles, and Two of Swords. Definitely in recent past you were at some crossroads. You don't know which decision you have to make. I think there is waiting game is going. They always keep putting you on waiting. And there was some communication in recent past also. I think in recent past, you didn't get any clarity from that communication. Then present the whole Four of Pentacles and Five of Cups. Lots of you are in no contact, or there are some issues between you and your person. Some cycles are going to be end. For some already ended. And lots of you are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries, or states. Definitely you decided to holding back, not to express your emotions or your feelings to anybody, especially to your person. At the same time, you're feeling sad. Definitely you're feeling sad. Five of Cups is here. Then future, the Hermit, Three of Swords, and the Star. So in future, you are going through some transformation. You are healing because there is heartbreak. Definitely in future, there is heartbreak. Then you want to out of you want to come out of this situation. That's why you are going through some transformation, or for some you isolated from all and taking rest. You are going healing. And the Star, definitely in future there is some hope, there is some wish fulfillment. I think there is something positive is coming into your life, Taurus. There is healing. At the same time, there is something positive is coming. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So Taurus, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So Taurus, their current feelings and intentions. Two cards. Let's see their intentions. My God. So I want clarification card for Four of Pentacles, Wheel of Fortune is here. And the Star, the Emperor, Six of Pentacles, the Moon. And under the deck, Three of Swords, Temperance, Ten of Cups, and Seven of Cups. Right now, your person is in some confusion and they're stuck literally, and they're being very patient. They're waiting for their time. Right now, there is no balance, and your person is emotionally unbalanced. I think you both are on the same page. They are heartbroken without you. You both mirroring each other. So let's see their current feelings. The Star, Four of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, clarification cards, Emperor, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Moon. So there are some misunderstandings between you and your person. Right now they are not expressing their feelings. They're holding back, but they want to, but they're waiting for right time. Divine timing is the key. They know they did hurt you, that's why they're waiting for right time. And for some, maybe your person have some ego problems because the Emperor is here, and the person involved in this connection could be especially Pisces or Aquarius. So they really want to work on this relationship, and they really want to offer equal give and take, but they're waiting for divine timing right now. They're wishing, definitely they're wishing for this connection, and their intentions: 10 of Swords, 8 of Swords, and 9 of Swords. Right now your person is literally stuck on you, Taurus, and they're very very tired, and they're missing you badly because 9 of Swords. They're losing their nights over you, and they're feeling stuck, but they still want rebirth in this connection. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Taurus. Magician with 5 of Pentacles and Judgment, 3 of Swords. I think they're going to be make some major decision regarding this relationship. Right now they're suffering in silence and they're manifesting you. I think right now they're stuck. They're in some misery and they're suffering in silence. But that's why they're not expressing. They're waiting for their turn. What I'm getting here. I want one more clarification card for these two. Yes, they're thinking about you a lot. 6 of Cups. For some, you both have past life connection with each other or past life with each other. Definitely. They are realizing you both, Taurus. Yes, you are taking your power back. You will be on your power. You're working on your inner strength, inner power. Yes, you want equal give and take. There are issues, and for some, a brand new person is coming. I think you are loving yourself. You are doing self-love. Mutual energies, Queen of Wands. Okay. See, you both are very independent couple and very powerful. See, all are in. I think there are some ego issues, ego clashes also, because mutual energies, 9 of Pentacles, the Empress and Queen of Wands. Very, very powerful energies. So definitely a lot of spying is going. Maybe you both are spying on each other a lot, and it is one type of ending. And patience is the key. Definitely pay. I want one more card. Mutual energies, final. Yeah, definitely this connection is right now stuck. You both are working on your inner strengths. You both are very powerful couple. That's why there are some ego clashes also. But your person is literally missing you. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Taurus. And a lot of earth energy. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Reunion is coming. For those who are waiting for reunion, there is a chance for reunion and holding back, and I can't let you go. So reunion is coming, holding back, and I can't let you go. These are the messages from your person. And so let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Taurus. Meditate and contemplate new moon in Pisces, Pisces energy. Nothing is yet set in stone, mutable moon. Yes, definitely. Right now this connection is stuck. It will take some time. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.